Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the new ZeroLemon Tough Juice. Now this is a 30,000 milliamp portable battery charger. You can pick this one up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $70. Now if you watch my videos, the original Tough Juice has always been my favorite battery charger. But now with the new version, you're getting wireless charge. So that means my favorite battery charger just got better. Let's go through the specs. Now again, the price on this one, $70. Now I know some of y'all gonna say, well, I can find the Anchor version for cheaper. I can find this version, that version for cheaper. Keep this in mind. When you're buying portable battery chargers, it's quality over quantity. Now I can show y'all last year's, the year before, and the year before that's ZeroLemon chargers, and they all look and perform like brand new. This is a brand that I highly recommend. Now you're getting 30,000 milliamps of extended battery power. It takes 4 to 5 hours to fully charge up the charger, and you can charge this using dual USB charging. So what does that mean? If you plug in one USB Type-C charger to charge up the device, it's going to take a little bit longer. If you want it to fully charge faster, you can plug in 2 USB cables and charge it up even faster. That's pretty dope. Now you can charge up to 5 devices at the same time. You got 2 22.5 watt PD inputs. You got 2 quick charge 3.0 inputs. And you got a 10 watt fast wireless charging dock on the top. Now you also have air cushion corners. And I'm going to show you why that's important in a minute. So, hypothetically, you can charge up your iPhone 12 Pro Max 6 times. You can charge up your Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5 Gangster 5 times. All right, 30,000 milliamps. This is a beast. Okay, so let's unbox this and see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. Now let me say this. This is not going to be a fun and exciting video. This is a utility product. All right, this is one of those products that you're going to need to power all of your fun and exciting tech. All right, so if you're a true tech enthusiast, you're going to need one of these in your collection. Okay. Simple presentation. Got Spider-Man on deck. Rah. Here we go. ZeroLemon Tough Juice, 30,000 milliamps. Okay. Now, the old one that I got is in my car right now. It looks and works brand new. That's why it's still in my car. My car's in the shop, so I couldn't show it to y'all. But y'all seen the video. It looks exactly like this. But the big difference with the new one is wireless charge. All right. Wireless charge on deck. Let's go ahead and rip this one open. Okay, ZeroLemon Tough Juice. Now, when I said air cushion corners, this is why that's important. Because right now, mine is in my trunk. I'm hitting potholes. I'm driving around like a maniac. This is sliding all over the place. Every time I take it out of the trunk, it looks brand new. And it still works. And on a side note, late but still great. Ladies and gentlemen, White Shoes is back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
Calm down. Now it's Easter, so I'm gonna give you a break for coming in late. But I'm gonna have to call you in the office for a little for a little meeting after this. Okay, let's see what else you get. Now you get a nice thick USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. Of course, you got your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. ZeroLemon, 100% guaranteed promise. All right, go ahead and fold that up. Stick that in your pocket. And of course, they do weekly giveaways. Check that out at your leisure. Now, for the Tough Juice. Like I said, the original has always been my favorite. It still works and looks brand new. But now with the new version, wireless charge. Okay, so this is going to be your power button. You see you got 4 LEDs. Okay, so mine is on 3. That means it's 75% charge in here. On the back, same thing. So it doesn't matter which way you pick this up. You can activate power from the top or the bottom. Let's see. Here's all your inputs. So you got 22.5 watt PD input on the top. Quick charge 3.0. Now these are USB A's. Let's go ahead and open this up. Okay. USB A's. Well, actually, this one is USB A, USB Type-C. Okay, USB A, USB Type-C. Then you also have another 22.5 watt and quick charge 3.0. Okay, okay, USB-A and USB Type-C. So this is what I meant by charging up the battery charger even faster. So if you want to charge up the Tough Juice, you plug in one USB Type-C, grab a charging brick, and charge this up. But if you want to charge it even faster, then you're going to grab another USB Type-C cable, plug it in, and plug it into the wall. And now you're going to charge up 30,000 milliamps in 4 hours. That's pretty dope. Okay? Rugged build on this. Like I said, you can leave this in your trunk of your car, driving around, hit the potholes, drop this everywhere you want. It's always going to look like this. No scratches, matte feel on this. Pretty dope. All right, so let me grab some cables and we'll charge up some products. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. So first, let's start off by charging 5 devices at the same time. So say you went to the beach and you took your kids and everybody wants to go in the water and charge up their phones and you stay behind as the designated drinker. Here's how it's going to work. You grab your Tough Juice, hit the power button. Now you see I got a bunch of cables plugged in. So first, let's grab USB Type-C. Let's grab one of these Android phones. Okay, charging right up. Next, let's grab another USB Type-C, another Android phone. Okay, charging right up. Next, let's grab one more Android phone. We got a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Okay, that's charging up. And why not? Let's grab one more Android phone. Okay, that's charging up also. And now you got wireless charge on the top. So we'll grab an iPhone, place it on the top. Let's find the sweet spot. Hold up. Make sure I hit that. All right, there it is. All right, you got to get the sweet spot. All right, so charging up 5 devices at the same time. All right, now look, we all know that there's more to tech than just cell phones. So let's charge up some other stuff. Okay, so we got the same cable. Let's grab a set of headphones. Plug this in. Okay, hit the button. Okay, headphones charging up. Let's grab the red cable. Let's grab a portable speaker. Plug this in. Okay. Now when the JBL is charging, you see the little LEDs on the front. Okay, that's charging up. Let's grab another cable. Let's see, we got Galaxy Tab. Let's go ahead and plug this in. Okay, Galaxy Tab charging up. And let's see, we got one more red cable. Let's grab an iPad. Plug in an iPad. iPad is charging up. And you still got your wireless charge. So say you got a set of earbuds. Drop them right on the top and wirelessly charge your earbuds. This is pretty sick. All right, now before I get out of here, I want to show y'all 2 of my other favorite battery chargers, both by ZeroLemon. First, we got this beast right here. Now this is 26,800 milliamps of power. You got wireless charge on the top. Just press the button, grab a phone. All right, there it is. Now if you open up the little flap, you got 2 USB-A inputs and a USB Type-C input. So you can charge up 4 devices at the same time. Now what makes this one unique is the back. Bang. Check this out. Hold down the button. You got these ultra bright LEDs. Now this video is not doing it justice. This will light up your whole room at nighttime. Super bright. If you hold down the button, you can dim it if you want. And you also got your strobes. All right, so if you got your late night clandestine activities, turn on your strobe lights. This will be the get it going. But check this out. There's one more hidden feature. If you look on the side, you see where it says SOS. You hold that down and look at this. You got your universal SOS. So this is the perfect battery charger to leave in your car. You break down on the side of the highway, put this right on the back of your car, and you good. This one is dope. Now I got one more I want to show y'all. I'm not going to talk too much about this one because I'm not sure if they even sell it anymore. But this is a classic right here. Now I forgot the milliamps on this one. It's probably 26,000 and some change. But this one charges using a solar panel. Now I never bring this one in the house. It's always hanging up in my garage. If you notice, it's always fully charged. You see that green light is on right now? You can charge this with sunlight or any natural light will charge this up. Now you also got USB Type-C, you got 2 USB-A's, and you got a micro USB charging slot. So you can charge 4 devices at the same time, and you also got your LEDs. Now I had this one for so many years. All right, you still got the SOS button also. I had this one for so many years, and look how it still works like brand new. That's why I said quality over quantity. This thing has never been in the house, maybe once in the last year. Let's go ahead and turn that off. And of course, you hit the SOS button, and there it is. All right, so if you got 2 of these in your car, you have your SOSs going. Now, like I said, I'm not sure they're still selling this one because this is probably 3 to 4 years old. This one is still on sale on Amazon. It's a little bit more than the Tough Juice, $80, but you're getting those super bright LEDs. Let me turn these off. I'm about to blind myself back here. Bang. Whew. Super bright. Charges 4 devices at the same time. These are my second and third favorite portable battery chargers. Anyway, on a scale of 1 to 10, the ZeroLemon Tough Juice is a major, major, major go. Like I said earlier, ain't nothing fun and exciting about this. This is 100% utility. All right? You need one of these to power up your tech army. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock one to beam up. Energize.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you part of the money team.